what's up guys? Yan si RC naman, Sir Bico. Nandito tayo sa Town and Country Heights, Antipolo, Rizal. Nakikita nyo naman yung nasa likod ko guys. This is brand new house. It has 5 bedrooms plus 1 maid's room. So tara guys, papakita ko sa inyo. Samahan nyo ako. So upon entering dito sa gate, you have 2 carport, garage. Yan, napakaluwag niyan. So meron tayo dito sa, on my left side is garden, small garden. Yan, tara, guys, pasukin natin yung loob. Upon entering po sa pinaka-door ng bahay, so it's open space area po. Dito po yung living area and then have television there. And this is, wow, for the kitchen, centered kitchen, island countertop. So, yung ano nga pala guys, yung bahay na to, a lot of storage. Kita nyo naman guys, so wala kayong problema sa mga kitchen stuffs nyo. Dito guys sa dulo yung dirty kitchen. So, yan, ginagawa pa kasi siya, under construction. And ito guys, yung napakagandang swimming pool dito. With a nice view. Wow. It's greenery and nature. Very maaliwalas. Ang swimming pool nyo guys, napakaganda. Alright. Guys, samahan nyo ako sa second floor. Small room, pwedeng maid's room or gusto nyo, kung wala kayong maids, gusto nyo gawing storage. Dito guys, makalat lang kasi may ginagawa pa tayo guys, di pa tapos. Dito yung powder room guys sa likod. Ayan guys. Alright. Tara, samahan nyo ako sa second floor. Guys, so sa first floor meron tayong living area, sa second floor meron din tayo guys. So, napakalawak nito guys. Yan, makikita nyo dito guys, we have a balcony here. So napakaganda ng view dito. Sa umaga, sa gabi, pwede kayong mag-coffee, chill with your family and friends. Yan, so connected siya sa isang room which is here guys. Yeah. Isang room dito natin. Alright. So sa second floor, we have dito shared toilet and bath. We have here 3 bedrooms. One here and here also. Look at that view. You see? Wow. Kung bibili nyo to guys, napakaganda for your family. Rest house with swimming pool. Yan. Pakita mo yung view. Alright. Come on guys, tara. Samahan nyo ako sa loob ulit. So, dito sa pathway na to guys, napakaganda ng wall niya, wall panel. So, meron pa po tayo ditong room. And then, ito pa guys, yung powder room dyan, bathroom. Guys, dito sa balcony, yan. Kita nyo naman guys, chill lang kayo dito. Inom-inom, coffee. Look at that view. Ayan yung binabayaran dito sa Antipolo. Nice. Foggy. Alright guys, meron tayong third floor. Lakas ng hangin, nakita nyo guys. So, meron tayong sky view. Yan. Open area dyan guys. Napakaganda. So, dito sa third floor, maluwag pa rin yung space niya. Yan, look at that wall panel. Napakaganda ng kulay, napaka-light lang. So, meron po tayong balcony na naman dito guys sa third floor. Dito this side, pakita mo yung view. Yan, napaka-greenery, nature. And you can see the lower, the swimming pool. You see that? Wow, nice. So this way, papunta po tayo sa isang ito na guys yung master's bedroom nyo. Guys, mukhang nakasarado. Tara dito. Guys, ayan. Dito guys, another bedroom. Sa third floor, meron tayong 2 bedrooms. Isang master's bedroom. Guys, napakalawak niyan. Kita nyo naman guys, naulan na ngayon pero look at that. Di po tayo natatamaan dito ng ulan guys. Look at that view. Napakaganda guys. Walang problema sa mga kids. Alright. So, meron din tayong toilet dito. Yan. So, wala pa tayong light kasi ongoing pa po yung construction. Mga interested dyan, PM nyo lang ako, si RC naman, survey ko. This guys, the master's bedroom. Alright. Look at that window glass installed here. It's very often the view. See that? So, here, look at that. It's connected to your balcony. Sa mga gusto ng nature view dyan. Yun guys, yung master's bedroom nyo, connected siya sa balcony. So dito guys, meron pa tayong install dito na glass. Ha? Hindi lang siya ganyan. Meron po siyang nakarang dito na glass. So look at that. Napakaganda guys. Nature, greenery. Master's bedroom. And then meron din tayong walk-in closet. Guys, here. See? Meron tayong install dito na walk-in closet. So mapapansin nyo guys, yung wall ng ito guys, isasama rin yan, katulad yan guys, dun sa labas, yung wall niya, wall panel niya. Patungan niya ng wall panel po na kulay light brown. So this is the toilet for the master's bedroom. His and her sink, and then 2 shower area. Guys, habang naliligo kayo, ito ang maganda rito guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda ng view. Look at that. Alright. You see? Saan pa kayo makakakita niyan? Dito lang sa Antipolo. Habang kayong naliligo, kita niyo yung view sa labas. Alright. So, guys. Ligay dito guys. Dito. So, interested kayo? Pakita ko sa inyo dito. Guys. So, look at that view. Kita nyo naman. Alright guys, so kung interested kayo sa house and lot na to na property, dito lang yan sa Town and Country Heights, Antipolo, Rizal. And then, floor area 420 and lot area 236 square meter lot area. The price is affordable, 28.5 million pesos. Negotiable pa yun guys. Included na yung CGT, yan. Pwede rin po natin isaming transfer title. Kaya, PM nyo lang ako guys, si RC naman survey ko.